Pen of life. When I'm mentioning the teenagers, what is your first thought about them? Is it money, freedom, diet, travel, hangout, and so on? Life has given us a huge and noble gift, and that is the youth.
I dey give 1 week. If not send, I go Tamale. I be know Tamale people. I go do one go back.
I say we be our damage. Yeah, you need soon free me. We be jina have a pet charge our memo. What but damn papa?
Would you remember the last time I told you my mom is not feeling right? Or rather, it's a scam.
This age represents the appearance, freshness, vigor, spirit, etc. I always ask myself why teenagers at their ages wants to be perfect, to get embraced by their friends.
So if I not stay away from my, what will you do?
Cause I can't
stay. Okay.
I said 10,000 Ghana cedis.
10,000 Ghana cedis.
Every man there, sir. I saw the population. I saw the population. I also more.
That's also your way, say my friend.
They go through a lot of struggles and hustling to enable them to avoid falling in love and getting betrayed, seeking money and getting scammed in the end. No matter how hard you try, you cannot be perfect. Remember, no one is perfect. So try and be yourself, because yourself betrays you the most.
Won't you help me send him to the hospital, baby?
I didn't process me and I